Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and then start the restore. First, confirm the backup archive is uploaded to your home directory or accessible via FTP. You must have the Cpanel account owner or root privileges. Without proper permissions, the restore will fail. Once done, check that available disk space exceeds the backup size so extraction completes. Make sure you know the target account and domain. Now log into WHM as root or the Cpanel user and open the backup restoration interface to start the process. You now perform the core restore steps and watch the system as it runs. In WHM, choose Restore a full backup and pick the exact account or enter the destination user. Selecting the wrong account overwrites the wrong site. Next, enter the backup file path or choose the uploaded archive and set overwrite options consciously. Only overwrite if you intend to replace current data. Once initiated, monitor the extraction logs for errors and keep an eye on CPU and disk I/O so the process does not time out on large files. You finish by validating the restore and taking corrective action if needed. After completion, verify file presence, database imports and permissions, and update DNS or domain pointers if the IP changed. Make sure to restart services like Apache, PHP-FPM, and MariaDB so configurations and data are active. If you encounter errors, check /var/cpanel, cpanel error logs, and the specific restore output. Then rerun the restore from a verified backup copy. One key tip: always confirm backup integrity before a second attempt to avoid repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.